All right, folks. I probably have already posted the little test segment, which I didn't have any audio on, and that was this guy. And so I'm going to go ahead and start on the body. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. A friend of mine gave me one of these Lechtenberg burners. It's from a microwave oven thermostat. And I'll just go ahead and pan over to that real quick. It's right there next to the little bottle of water with baking soda in it. Anyway, and I'm going to be at the other end of the counter with the cord and just plug the cord in and then let this go. And you got to let it burn pretty deep because I want to fill it. I think I want to fill it with a resin. Maybe just a clear resin at this point. I was thinking originally a colored resin, but if the inside of it is black like that, I don't know if you'd see the color or not. Anyway, so we're about to do this thing. And I've already tested it. I should say before anything, I saw lots of warnings and things about how to be safe. And it's on a rubber mat. I'm on a rubber mat. I'm wearing rubber shoes. And I'm, 6 feet away from it. So here we go. Well, I think it's supposed to be going. What happened? I didn't blow a fuse or anything. Okay, it is unplugged. I'm going to squirt a little more water on it. I'm not sure why it's probably dried out. Let's see if we can get some more of that going. This bottle has been kind of blocked because of the stuff. What is the stuff? The stuff is baking soda. So, okay, let's try it again. It's wet. Okay, I'm unplugged again. The test piece, actually, you probably saw in the video, it kind of just ran its course rather quickly. I think maybe I had let the wood soak a little longer. I don't know if that's necessary or not, but try it again. Okay, so I let that burn a little extra long because I said I want it to get kind of deep in there. That looks amazing. Once all the char is off of there, you'll be able to tell. Okay, so it is unplugged. No current anywhere. You can see that nail that kind of blew itself out of there. The nail got hot. I think I'm going to go down here. I have seen people use probes and just kind of move things around while it's running, but I think that's a good way to end up dead. So I'm just staying as far away as I can when that's happening. Let's see if that does anything. Unplugged again. Yeah, the water soaks in pretty quick in it, especially here. It's kind of going downhill, so it runs off. Let's see if we can get a good one going. I might give it some more time to soak in. That might help. Yeah, I pulled it purposely. I wanted to make sure we didn't have something going too far up there. I wanted to leave that gap. Let's see. It'll dry good, and then I'll just sand the char off of it. Got a pretty good ditch there. Really good one going through here. I don't know how much of these really light stuff I'm going to be able to save. I hope that if I just lightly sand it and then fill it with clear, that would look pretty cool. So I'm going to move this one so that, I don't think these nail holes are going to be an issue because I think they're just going to blend in with the rest of the fill. I'm going to move this one just right over here and see if we can get a little bit going that way. All right, so here that's going to wrap it up for this. I'll bring it back in after it dries and I get to sand this back a little bit. I'm going to go pretty light on it until I know exactly how much of this is going to stay, because this is the stuff I really like. But the deeper stuff is what's going to fill up with the resin. So yeah, nice and warm. Anyway, I don't know if you noticed that either. That when this was frying over here, we were getting little, lights blipping up out of here even. So it's just kind of weird how that goes through the whole body. Cool. All right. Now, second warning. This is dangerous. I took a lot of precautions. I got well away from it. I didn't pour water on it while I was running, even though I wanted to. So yeah, I'm not suggesting you do this. This is something I'm doing, and I just thought I'd video it. Anyway, I hope that was cool. All right, so I just brought you back in after I'd sanded the front off. I just did the back, and it's hard to see really what it's going to look like until you sand it back. This got a little heavy in the middle here, but I think that looks kind of cool. Anyway, I thought I might have gone overboard on this thing, but now this areas are wet from when I was doing the back, so it dribbled around. But look at where it's dry. How absolutely, I mean, that's just cool. I mean, you could actually just study this for a very, very long time. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to resin that in. I think I am going to use just clear resin, but I'm thinking I might put a kind of an amber on the wood, and then resin it. Anyway, so we got some overlapping on the sides here. I like that. I might do a little more on that on purpose, although that's the bottom of the guitar. So we got a little more on the top, I think. We got that, and it's right out here, and then it's coming over here and up through there. So in the waist cut, it's got some good stuff going on. Anyway, I actually poked a hole through the cavity here when I pounded the nail. Well, I don't think I pounded the nail in that deep. I just think it burned a hole through. Anyway, I just want to kind of finish up with this little bit of footage just to show you what it looked like sanded out. And if you have any ideas with the black inside the trenches and everything, I don't know that filling it with a colored resin would do any. I really like it just being black. So I think I thought about just oiling it too, but I don't know if I want to have the rough texture under the finish, although it would still be pretty cool just with an oil on it. I don't think I'm going to lacquer it. I think it's going to get oiled regardless if I fill it or not. But anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out.